I think I'm not that good in explaining my drawing process, but then thought of giving a try. If that helps some people in their own journey or approach of drawing portraits, I'll be happy. As you can see, I usually start with the basic shape of the skull and some defining lines. I usually start by dividing the head into three equal parts. As you can see, the eyebrow line, the nose line, and the chin line. Here in this case, the photo that I'm referring to has the head tilted slightly backwards, and hence the lowermost portion appears to be a bit bigger as the topmost portion or the forehead portion is further away from the vertical plane. I'm just using very loose, primarily straight lines at this stage, just to give me an idea of the basic forms and shapes and alignments. Oh, sorry, just realized that the upper part of the frame is out of the camera. Sorted. Those should be the sockets of the eyes. The mouth should be somewhere here. Let's add some values at this stage. Very rough, just to give me a clue where the depths or the shadows will be. Excuse me. That's for the jacket. Should be fine for now. Let's blend it. Right, so that should be my foundation. Now I can start building the features of the face. The eyebrows go there. Those should be the alignment of the eyes. Again, trying to keep it very sketchy at this stage. I just need the outlines. Now I'm not going too much into the details. The nose should end somewhere there. As the face has a very broad smile in this photo, hence you can see the width of the mouth. It's a big broad smile. That should be roughly it. That's the teeth line. I'm using soft strokes here. I'm not actually using too much of a pressure on the pencil so that I can come back and adjust. This is why I like to draw with charcoal, be it charcoal pencils or charcoal sticks. It is quite forgiving. It gives you that room and that flexibility to come back and amend your mistakes. I think those should be enough for the eyes. Now I can probably come back and fill the eyeballs afterwards. That's the cavity of the mouth, brings out the teeth roughly, can darken the eyebrows a bit. That should be pretty much at this stage, which can give me a fair idea of where I can start on adding more details and depths. It is really up to you where you want to leave your drawing. If I wish, I can just stop here and keep it very loose and suggestive. Or if I want, I can go on and on, push further and further to add more details. For this case, I'll go further. I thought of actually dividing the entire sketch into 2 or 3 parts so that I could explain the different stages. This first stage, I'll stick to the basic outlines and the forms and the shapes, and probably in the next parts I can take you through the further details. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you liked it.